So I just stumbled upon this tool called qqqa, and it's basically a command line assistant that's all about being fast and stateless. Pretty cool, right?
Wait, stateless. That means it doesn't remember anything from previous commands. How does that work?
Exactly, every command runs independently like each one is a fresh start. It can feel a bit different, but it's super simplified.
I can see the appeal. It's like how Unix tools work, focusing on one task at a time without unnecessary baggage.
Right, and the tool has two main parts, QQ for asking quick questions and qa for executing commands. It's very straightforward.
Interesting names too. QQ stands for quick question and qqqa for quick agent. I like that they're easy to type quickly.
Totally, less finger movement means faster interaction. Have you ever thought about how much typing speed can impact productivity?
Absolutely. I mean, if you can type faster, you can get through tasks quicker. But doesn't that assume users are comfortable with command lines?
Good point, CLI tools can be intimidating for some, but this one's designed to be simple even for those who aren't super tech savvy.
I see that. The safety features are also notable. It's read-only by default, so that minimizes risk.
Yes, the qa tool asks for confirmation before executing any command. It's like having a safety net.
But what about the limitations? I'm guessing there are some commands it can't execute.
Exactly, it uses a default allow list for commands, which means you can't run anything too risky like rmrf.
That's smart. It's almost like having a cautious friend who stops you from making a bad call.
Right, and it also supports including the last few terminal commands as context. That's pretty neat for continuity.
Continuity is key. But how's it different from other CLI assistants out there?
While its focus on being stateless and shell-friendly sets it apart, many assistants keep a history which can clutter things.
That's interesting. But do you think the lack of continuity might make it feel disconnected?
Maybe a bit, but it forces users to be more thoughtful with each command. It's a trade-off.
I guess it does encourage a focused approach. And it's cool how you can customize it with providers like Grok or OpenAI.
Yeah, Grok offers faster response times for low costs. It's like having a turbocharged assistant.
But how do users set that up? There must be some configuration involved.
For sure, it creates a config file during the first run, making setup pretty smooth.
That sounds user-friendly. What about troubleshooting? Can it handle issues well?
It has some troubleshooting tips built in. Users can get debug logs if something goes wrong, which is handy.
I like that. It's like having a built-in support guide. But what's the overall vibe of using it?
It feels efficient and no nonsense. You get quick answers without the fluff, which is refreshing.
And it's also interesting to think about how this kind of tool could evolve in the future.
Definitely, with advancements in AI, who knows what capabilities could be added? Imagine an even smarter CLI assistant.
But then there's the question of balancing power with usability. Too much complexity could deter new users.
Exactly, it's a fine line to walk. Keeping it accessible while enhancing features is crucial.
I can see this being a game changer for developers and tech enthusiasts. It's like a blend of simplicity and power.
For sure, and the idea of a tool that streamlines command line interactions is such a smart move.
It's also a great reminder of how open source tools can innovate based on user needs.
Absolutely, and it invites community contributions, which can lead to even more features down the line.
Can you imagine the possibilities? It's like opening a door to collaboration and continuous improvement.
Exactly, and it's fascinating how this approach can inspire other tools to rethink usability and design.
Wait, so if it's all about being stateless, does that mean each interaction feels like a new conversation?
Yes, every command feels fresh. It's a bit like meeting a new person each time, which can be freeing.
So in a way, it encourages users to think critically about every command they issue.
Exactly, it's like a challenge to be intentional and precise in your queries.
I really like that approach. It makes you more mindful of what you're asking.
And who knows, it might lead to better problem-solving skills in the long run.
Totally. It's not just about getting answers, but understanding the commands behind them.
Exactly, so I guess the takeaway here is that QQQA promotes efficiency and mindfulness in a unique way.
Absolutely. and it'll be interesting to see how such tools evolve in our increasingly tech-driven world.